BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So both Brave browser and the Vivaldi web browser have received the weekly security updates, which started rolling out at first to Chrome, and both browsers received the update a couple of hours ago in my region. Now, we also get bug fixes for both browsers. And if you are using Brave, as always, to double check we have the update, we head up to our main menu, Help About Brave. And the latest version and build for the browser is 1.70.119 and the Chromium platform 129.0.668.70. And if you are running Vivaldi on Windows, we can just head up to our menu, Help, check for updates. And once the browser has been updated, if we just head into our About page, yeah, we can see the different versions and builds. And for Vivaldi, 6.9.3447.48. And the Chromium platform is still sitting on version 128, but the point release and the build has been upgraded to 128.0.6613.172. So although Vivaldi is still on 128, for the Chromium platform, the point release is the important bit for this update. Now, first of all, just focusing on those security fixes in case you missed the Google Chrome video. We've got a total of 5 security fixes, all rated as high severity. So this is an important update, and they are common exploits like use after free in Dawn, inappropriate implementation in V8, that's the V8 JavaScript engine, type confusion in the V8 JavaScript engine, integer overflow in Skia. So thankfully they're on a 0 days, and just double check both browsers up to date, because obviously your browser is your first line of defense, and the update will patch those 5 security holes in both Vivaldi and the Brave browser. Now, focusing on the bug fixes, first of all, starting with Brave, we get 3 bug fixes that have rolled out for the browser, but I'm just going to mention 2. Apparently, copy clean link had a couple of issues. So they fixed copy clean link being used incorrectly in certain cases. So that bug has been squashed with this update. And they fixed a crash when downloading using various extensions. So I always say any crash fix is an important fix. So if you had experienced any problems downloading different extensions and it was crashing things, that should be addressed as well. So that's Brave now taken care of. 3 bug fixes and obviously those 5 security fixes for the Chromium platform. And then moving into Vivaldi, it's also received 3 fixes, where if we head over to the history, apparently there was a problem with the today category where today's item goes out of sync after removing a visit. So if you had experienced any issues with that, that's been patched. And then the rename tab, the rename tab shortcut apparently wasn't working. So that's also been patched. And then if for the downloads, apparently they've changed the behavior of drag and drop. You know, I think this rolled out with one of the recent updates to Vivaldi. You are able to now drag and drop that download, but there was a problem there, and they've changed the behavior of drag and drop to move. So that's it, guys. That's what's going on with Vivaldi and both Brave. And as mentioned, that's our weekly security updates for both browsers, and we are still once again waiting for Microsoft Edge, which is always last but not least. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.